Yes, OTC stocks have really taken a beating, and trying to figure out why AITX made such a big run-up in the recent past, I asked Perplexity AI and ChatGPT to do their analysis. Artificial intelligence also shared why AITX is undergoing a current pullback since late May, and exactly why that is happening and when you can expect that to reverse. Penny stocks are very risky, and I only invest money in them that I can afford to lose. High risk for high potential rewards. So let's go. Let's take a quick look at AITX chart. So this chart is actually in E-Trade, and you can see that it started turning green around in April. You can see it had a big run up in December, and then a pullback, another one later in December, and a pullback, and then this big run up starting in April of this year and its current level. But prior to that, you can see AITX way back in 2021 had a huge spike, and it's been trending down consistently for quite some time until the recent past. Had some spikes in 2022, 2023. It's real popular among a lot of day traders that like to trade OTC stocks. So here's a little closer view of 2024. The significant run-up in the stock price of AITX, Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions, over the past 6 months can be attributed to several key developments and positive news surrounding the company. These factors include advancements in product offerings, strategic financial decisions, and increased visibility in the media and entertainment industry. I know Steve Reinhardt is really good at getting the news out there. AITX has made several decisions aimed at strengthening its financial position and supporting growth. These include raising funds through share issuances and debt, which is tough for current stockholders like me because you get diluted, but it helps the company grow. The company's also taken steps to cut expenses by up to $200,000 each month, further supporting its path to profitability. We're praying for that one. AITX has gained increased visibility in the media and entertainment with its robotic security devices being featured in upcoming movies and a major television network series. This exposure showcases AIT solutions to a broader audience, but also positions the company as a leader in AI-driven security technology. So let's see what Steve had to say, see a short clip from his video, and a little bit of RADDOG in that movie I mentioned.
There's also been a video of somebody equipping a Unitary dog with a flamethrower. And I just gotta say, you know, now we're moving from the letter R to the letter I. Irresponsible, idiotic, I don't know, this is off the top of my head, but I think I'm gonna record a little standalone video about how dumb that is and just dangerous, just out of control. So that video is gonna be coming. It might be tacked into this video right now if I finished it in time. But last thing I have, okay, because again, my notes page is so long with things I wanna share, is movies. Cash Out movie, John Travolta, is available today for purchase on Amazon for $2.49, and it's available on Paramount Plus if you have Paramount Plus, which I don't. So I will probably pay the $2.49 and see it again because I enjoyed it. It was a fun movie. So we'll watch it again, and that'll be great. But anyway, check it out. We've got Rosas in, I think, at least 13 scenes. You'll see it in the background. It's so cool. Yes, it's a stage prop, but it's cool. And for the folks involved in AITX and that have been supporting us for years, seeing our products up in these movies is such a thrill. So I hope everybody enjoys that. Last update, you know, I went through a couple R's, but we'll talk about this movie that's being filmed in LA right now. And they invited us back to the finale. They loved our stuff so much that they did a little script rewrite, put us in the finale, which is huge for us because the director, his attitude towards it was, listen, we want to make this real life. So keep your branding on the RADDOGs. Now, this is a major motion film. I don't want to say the production companies involved, or of course the star, because you guys will figure it out in a second what it is, and we're under confidentiality agreements.
So back to our overview of AITX and the run-up in price. The company has also reported a 383% rise in its solutions as a service SaaS segment year over year, and a 476% growth in recurring monthly revenue, pointing to a potential turning point for the company in 2024. AITX is also on track to achieve operational profitability by August 2024, and this indicates that the company's operations can be self-sustained without external financing, marking a key achievement in its financial management.
This fiscal year, which started March 1st, our plan again is simple: operational profitability. So we kind of continue to expect that contracted and deployed units should equal close to operational profitability in August of 2024 of this year.
So RAD, the subsidiary of AITX, continues to innovate in the AI-driven security market with products like mobile patrolling robots, Romeo, solar-powered security devices, RIO, and autonomous access control devices, AVA, are designed to meet a broad range of security needs, enhancing RAD's market presence and appeal. RAD has a prospective sales pipeline of over 35 Fortune 500 companies. RAD solutions offer significant cost savings to businesses ranging from 35% to 80% compared to traditional manned security guarding. So these factors collectively contribute to the positive outlook for AITX and its subsidiary RAD, positioning them for sustained growth and success in the AI-driven security solution. Exactly why has AITX been pulling back? The reasons were: one, overall market pullback and high interest rates are affecting AITX like many other stocks. And of course, penny stocks in particular are really affected by the high interest rates. Also, AITX is experiencing an increased short interest. More traders are betting against it, and that's been pushing it down. Historically, looking at AITX chart, it's very volatile as news changes. And then the increased authorized share count has put off many investors and traders, causing the stock to even pull back further. Next, you'll want to check out TradingView. I took off some time from creating YouTube videos to study AI software trading and investing, because that is definitely the way of the future. And if you have interest in those areas, everyone should, in my opinion, you really need to check out TradingView. It's used now by over 60 million traders and investors worldwide, and it incorporates artificial intelligence. You can pretty much automate any trading strategy or investing strategy using TradingView. And in TradingView, they also rank the top trading bots to make it easier for you to make more money. So I added a link to TradingView in the description below and the top pinned comment. Let me know if you follow particular stock trading gurus or have particular stock trading strategies that you'd like to automate, so I can include those in videos to help you understand AI stock trading. I have some AITX shares, but I am way down on it at the moment because the penny stock market, particularly OTCs, have been pulling back hard. So my take on it is to watch AITX closely for that OTC penny stock market recovery. Then they have the potential to really zoom up. But watch them and see if they do end up with profitability later in the year. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a like and subscribe while you're at it. Watch the next video in our playlist about AI stock picks, trading, and investing.